Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to define what is PayPal Credit, what is it, and how does it work. So, PayPal Credit is going to be a revolving line of credit that allows users to make purchases and pay them off over time. It works like a digital credit card that is linked to your PayPal account and can be used for online shoppings at millions of retailers that accept PayPal. And we have tons and tons of boutiques and also shops that will, let's say, take in charge PayPal payments. So, how does it work? So, for the application and approval, users apply for PayPal credit through their PayPal account. So, you're going to head over paypal.com and then you're going to see something that is going to be on the personal right there features, so you can go ahead and head over here and get PayPal credit. So we are going to head over here, click on PayPal credit, and you're going to view your account. So you're going to click on view your account, and then you're going to see the PayPal credit and also the eligibility of it. The approval is based on a soft credit check, which doesn't impact your credit score. If you are approved, you're going to get a credit line that you can use immediately. For making purchases, it is going to be very simple. When a shopping online, select or you can go ahead and head over a store and check for the payment methods that are available for that store. You can go ahead and click on select PayPal credit at checkout. You're going to see a sign of PayPal credit at the shop. So the purchase over $99 qualify for zero interest if paid off within 6 months. If the balance isn't paid in full within 6 months, interest is going to be charged retroactively from the purchase date at a 23.99% APR. So it is going to be a variable. So that means the longer that you're going to take to pay out your credits, after 6 months, the more interest that you're going to increase. So basically, if you're going to be interest or set up some interest into your payment, you need to settle the payments before 6 months for above the sum of $99. If you're going to have here 99 only, it is going to be within nearly, let's say, 5 or 4 months, it is going to be interest free. So for the payment and fees, the minimum monthly payment are required. So like a traditional credit card, of course. Users can pay in full each month to avoid interest charges. So for the late payments may result in a $29 to $40 fees and could impact your credit score, of course. And that is going to be something annoying for some people. So here, the key features of this specific feature or the credit of from PayPal, it is going to be no annual fee, 0% interest for 6 months on purchases over $99 if paid in full, of course, accepted whether PayPal is available or not. The inconvenient things in here are going to be the high interest rates between, let's say, gathering up to 23.99% APR if you're not going to pay the sum or the amount that you have got in full. And also, the retroactive interest applies if the promotional balance isn't cleared in 6 months. So, who should use PayPal Credit? It is going to be best for users who shop online frequently and can pay off purchases within 6 months to avoid the interest. And it is not going to be ideal for those who carry a balance in a long term due to the high APR. So, if you are going to see that the PayPal credit is going to be interesting for you and you can pay it within the 6 month, you're going to be good to go with zero interest, let's say here, credit. And if you're going to take long, that is something that I highly recommend for you to avoid. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.